Uh, in just a moment, we're going to go to a very special place in Greece, Mount Athos, where the sun is rising. And Mount Athos, of course, you probably know, maybe at the back of your memory, is famous for its monastery, all men's monastery. Women aren't allowed. It's regarded as one of the most majestic places in Byzantine history, the history of Byzantine architecture. And we are going to follow the monks at Mount Athos in the coming minutes as they sing the first liturgy of the new millennium, the Matins. The close of Matins will take place in the company of crowds of worshippers who have gathered there at Mount Athos in Greece. So, as the sun begins its sweep across Europe, we go now live to Mount Athos in Greece to watch the Matins.